Hello everyone, Nasir here from Financial Markets Club. Here's a video on the Nasdaq 100 and what tremendous volatility we're seeing on the Nasdaq 100. Things are working out quite nicely since my speculation that the Nasdaq would bounce off around the 11,000-ish, and we're just about to touch the 13,000 level. So that's 2,000 points up. So if you've been riding this from 11,000 to 13,000, congratulations, and you should be making a substantial amount of profit. And if you've been a bit more active in trading the Nasdaq 100, then you've probably done the shorts on these dips along the way. If you were following my trade signals, then you've probably seen me send out signals for these shorts that were happening. So there were some brilliant opportunities to add to your profits. So if you traded based on my previous analysis, let me know how it went for you in the comments below. It'd be really nice to know how my analysis is helping people out with the trading, and it's just motivation for me. So share your results and let's see how it's going. If you haven't been making any profits on this, where the analysis has been pretty accurate, then there must be something wrong with the trading strategy. So yeah, feel free to reach out to me. Let's see if I can help you identify the issues with the trading strategy and help you become profitable. It's been quite a while I've been doing this analysis, and I've been recording and documenting everything actually. So I'm just going to quickly head over to my website and show you a quick snapshot of my progress. And as you can see, to date, my sort of success rate on getting my analysis right is about 68%. And on the right, I've got some statistics where I show the sort of gains and losses that have been taken over this time period. Naturally, I can't be 100% correct, otherwise I'd be holding a crystal ball. I'd know exactly what's happening on the markets in the future. With respect, anybody who claims they've got an accuracy rate of about 90% or above, I think is outrageous, to be honest. But here we are on the right side. You can see that I do take some losses, but the profits that are taken are substantially higher. In fact, my profits that are taken are 10 times more than the losses that are taken. So overall, that helps any traders to stay on the profitable side. So I'm hoping that you're following my analysis and making the most out of this. If you haven't joined my VIP service yet, then just pop over to my website and join today and enjoy the benefits of my analysis. So yeah, Nasdaq 100 at 13,000, and I'm getting worried actually. Although in terms of the bigger picture, I'm expecting this to sort of head towards somewhere close to 16,000. I'm getting a little bit worried around the 13,000 level, because we've got a lot of resistance around here. It's quite a critical level actually. If I just try to zoom out a bit, you can see around here there's a lot of sort of resistance, turbulence. Things seem to change around here. So I'm not so convinced that the Nasdaq 100 is going to just rip right through and head towards the next sort of resistance level. I feel there could be a strong pushback here from around 13,000-ish, pushing the Nasdaq back down. But the question is, back down to where? There's two sort of levels I'm looking at. Initially around the 12,200-ish level. I'd like to see this come and retest this sort of trend line I've drawn here. And I want to see what actually happens here, because I want to see whether it's going to just pop below that or if it's going to bounce off that. If it's going to bounce off that, then we've got a scenario where the Nasdaq could be pushing above 13,000 on its next push up. And if it pops below here, then the situation could change dramatically. We could either be going to look for a retest somewhere close to the 11,000-ish level, or worse comes to worse, we might just rip right through that 11,000 and go even lower. Too early to tell at the moment. For now, what I want to see is what happens around the 13,000 level. I think it's highly probable that we're going to come down to around the 12,200-ish to sort of see what's going on. And I take my cue from around 12,200. and decide there onwards. If it does come down somewhere near around 11,000-ish, whether it be 11,300, 500 or whatever it is, I would take that as an opportunity to buy until I can be sure that this is falling. And the only way I'm going to be sure this is falling further is if it dips below 11,000. So anything around here to me looks like a buying opportunity on the Nasdaq 100. So that's that. Let's see what happens, and we'll catch up on this in a few weeks' time. Also, if I could ask you to just throw in a quick like on my video, please, and subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on my videos as they come up. Really appreciate the support, and let's try and grow this channel to help out as many people as possible.